Hey guys, Mitch from NZCS here. Today I've learned something new. I can control the volume on my PC from the scroll wheel on my mouse. Let's take a look. So down the bottom of the screen here you can see my taskbar, and here you'd usually click on the volume icon and drag the toggle left and right to increase or decrease the volume. You could of course always use the, if you have desktop speakers like I do, you could just twist the knob to change the volume, or use keys on the keyboard if you can do that too. But there is another way, without having to click anything. If you take your mouse and just hover over the volume icon, don't have to click anything, and then use the wheel on your mouse, up and down, you can then adjust the volume this way. This appears to be a Windows 11 only feature, but I just can't believe I haven't discovered it until now. So there's something new to learn every single day. Cool.